Compact, powerful, and versatile. Our SEC-110 delivers an impressive light output of 110 lux, ensuring bright visibility on every ride. The beam is 10 meters wide, casting a clear path ahead in both day and night conditions. With a reach of up to 210 meters, you will be able to see far into the distance for maximum safety. The advanced MTI optical technology provides a precise cutoff line and reliable beam structure. For mounting flexibility, there are 3 options: fork, stem front, or handlebar, and our design is fully compatible with GoPro mounts for effortless integration. Built with robust IP56 protection, it stands strong against water and dust ingress in every weather. Additional features include a compact aluminum and plastic housing, K-Mark and ISO 6742 compliance, and suitability for 25 km/h e-bikes and EPAC. Our SEC-110 is available in 3 configurations and mounting packages. On the left you can see our S package with the handlebar mount accessories. The D version in the middle is our fork mount package. And on the right-hand side is the U version with our standard light package for the stem front. The mounting videos for each kind is on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.